I'm gonna give you to the count of 10 to get your ugly, yellow, no good.
Lucy, I'm home. Lucy.
Buenos dias! Welcome back to Cooking with Maria Hernandez Garcia Lopez Martinez Rodriguez Gonzalez Smith. And today our cooking instruction will be on pan de muertos. Let's begin, clase! Are you ready to cook? Cause I sure am! Time to get loco! Okay, to start step 1, you get 2 to 3 large strips of orange zest. You put it on a little pan, and then you get a little bit, butter. I don't want to be too slick. And then you get some milk, and you just pour that all in. You know how many others be touching that? And then you put it on medium heat. So if you look over here, we will go a little bit on, and we will turn it on, and let's let it simmer for a minute, clase.
I want avocado toast.
Mija, uno momento. So as you saw,
I need more data for my iPhone.
Mija, I'm filming YouTube right now. Go, data later, go. Simmer, butter, milk, mixing. So we're going to mix this together. It will, be nice and yummy. We stir in the pot just like the 60s. Okay, clase. Now we turn off heat because butter gone. So no heat. We grab this and we put it in bowl. You know what they say? You can't make an omelet without cracking a few eggs. Uno, dos. Now we mix lukewarm water and yeast. So we put some water and we go a splashy splash splash like a little fishy. Okay, now we mix yeast mixture and egg mixture. So we put a little in there, and this is the fun part, y'all.
I need you to carry more of my lineage. Our daughter is a disgrace.
But husband, you know.
You heard what I said.
No! Vosotros, let's us now mix dry ingredients together. First we put flour, salt, and then we go sugar. Yummy, yum. Americans have too much. Just like the tundra, we mix dry and wet. So we get our dry and we put it in the wet. Very dull, it becomes strong and sturdy like big man, not weak woman. Now that's all one, let's knead this dough. You know what they say, what comes up must come down. So now we put in lightly oiled bowl, we go boop, and now we let the rest for 1 to 2 hours. Buenos dias, class. The dough has risen, and you know what my husband says, I'm his better half because I make the better half of the...
I'm leaving. Cut.
My poor Rita, my churro. Oh no, she's all no sugar coated. Now you see, we put them cute little buns.
Where's my dinner?
Now we put nice beautiful glazed bonbons in 350-degree oven. Now we put right in and say hasta la vista. The cooking has concluded. Oh, hola! You miss me, my little bonbons? There they are.
Can't even nibble.
Okay, is it good?
No.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Very zesty, orangey, and the sugar brings out one.
You can eat as much as you want, Dave.
Okay. That'll be fine with me.
I don't know, man. I know.
If it tastes crunchy, tell me and you can go the same.
That's what makes it tasty.
Good? Do you actually like it or no? Oh, wow. That's more surprising than anything else.